Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these burger shoes on Dress to Impress. Get these socks and select the high striped socks and color the first one yellow. I'm gonna just make it more yellow here and the second one red. For I guess the mustard and the ketchup. Then we're going to select the leg warmers for the lettuce and we're going to color that green and we're going to select the foil texture for it like so. Then I am going to add these shoes. I know we use them a lot, but we're going to color these a dark brown color and then the second one a light kind of like brown color-ish. And then we're going to color 3 and 4 green. And I'm going to color 5 green as well. Then we're going to add these shoes on just for height. And I'm going to add this pattern on. And that is how you can create these cute burger-inspired shoes on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!